So the question is, how do I start a business without GST, trademark and a license? So this is the question, and the answer is very simple. Just start. Nobody is going to come and hold you by the collar and ask you not to start. Just start. You can get all of it later. No issues. And the fear you have inside, that whether somebody will question you or you get into some problem, when you start, you'll realize it is not as big as you think. So you just start. And there's another update. So I'm also in Clubhouse, and you can follow my profile, this KAVIRAJ Mohanasundaram, and in that there is, you can go check the member of page, and you will find a page called Tamil Entrepreneurs. So this is for Tamil entrepreneurs who talk English and in Tamil also. So you can come and visit there. So we'll be coming live on alternate days. So it will be Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. So the live will be for about an hour, and we can discuss about business, how to take things forward, books you can read, and anything and everything about business. So I would really love to meet all of you all on Clubhouse. Thank you for watching the video. Bye-bye.